Hello everyone, Romina is here. I'm so glad to be here and welcome to another video by Pixi Dust Design. I want to show you how to make a simple car, sharing with you some many details when I try to design my car. I really like the idea to make simple and clean car because I really love the idea to create this simple and clean car. For this car I use up and away stamp set. They have a coordinate like or detail about the tools I use. I try to link below this video, so I try to focus on create my car. So if you have any question you can leave the comments. I using my Misty tool to stamp perfect because it's very difficult for me. I don't know if it's difficult for you, but it's difficult for me and make a perfect stamp. So this tool is very useful when you try to make a perfect stamp. I will color in this cute elephant. I use alcohol marker. This special is a spectrum nor marker. To be able to use alcohol marker, I use an ink that allow me to work with them. I'm going to try to create the sky using an stencil. I imagine the elephant is flying in the sky. I will ensemble the car by attaching all the elements I have created. I mean to add the focal point in the middle of the car. I make a mistake stamping my sentiment on the car, so I decide to fix it using the head embossing technique. This is the card I have prepared for you today. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question and comment, please leave me in the comment section below the video. So I see you in next video. Bye bye.